Hi, this is Madison with the Sensory Path, and I'm going to teach you how to install our flower body hop. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. I will start with only laying out the stem and flower petals. It's important to install the stem first because that's the foundation for everything. Now I'm going to tape my stem together so I can plan out where I want it to go. After planning, I will then remove those pieces of tape and use a piece to place down the center of my stem. Here's a real-time video of what I just did. I'm going to cut a little part of the backing of the image, then I'm going to place it down and remove that middle piece of tape. Lift up the stem and remove the backing. Use the squeegee to slowly lower and place the stem. Place a piece of tape on the flower center to the stem. This will act as an anchor. Remove the backing of the petal. I will then shift the petal underneath the flower center, placing it with my squeegee. After placing the stem and flower petals, I can now proceed to lay out my leaves. Remove the backing of the leaf and place it down slightly, overlapping it onto the stem. Use a wave motion to lay down the leaf. Make sure those feet are straight up and down. And that's the beautiful flower body hop.